Okay, and some more, in fact, breaking news coming in the wake of the Dadri lynching. Remember, as the President Pranab Mukherjee has given out a message for communal harmony, he has appealed for peace. A Sadbhavna meeting is now taking place in the village, which witnessed a brutal lynching just 8 days ago. The head of the Bisara village and Ikhlaq's brother are participating in the meet organized by the village administration. While the district magistrate addresses villagers, residents have appealed for peace. Kamaljeet Sandhu sends in this ground report.
The village continues to simmer because of communal overtones. Politicians still making a VVIP beeline there. But yes, there is an attempt by administration and by police to broker peace. And we see that not just Bisara but also villagers from other villages have come here. This is an attempt to broker peace. Sanjeev Rana is the Pradhan of Bisara town. आप ये बताइए, बिशाड़ा से हैं, यहाँ पे घटना घटी है. पुलिस के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से आप खुद किस तरह से वहाँ पे शांति लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, सभी हम हिंदू मुस्लिम परिवार जो है एक गली गली में नुक्कड़ सभा करके उन्हें सब तसल्ली दे रहे हैं कि जो भी होना था वो हो गया, अब आगे से कोई किसी तरह की दिक्कत नहीं है. और अब आज की मैं बताऊँ, अभी पिछले चार पाँच दिन से हमारे गांव में पूरी तरह शांति है, किसी तरह कोई दिक्कत.
एक सुसाइड भी हुआ है वहाँ पे और उसको भी लोगों में लेके रोष है. मीडिया को काफी लोग इल्जाम डाल रहे हैं. किस तरह से हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है?
नहीं, इसमें मीडिया की तो कोई गलती नहीं. मीडिया ने तो मैं समझू जैसे इसे कवरेज किया वो सही है, पूरा सहयोग करा मीडिया ने. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है कि मीडिया कोई दोष दे रहा है. पर देखो, घटना जो घटी है कल, जो सुसाइड किया है लड़का ने, उसके परिवार का कहना है कि भाई पुलिस बराबर दबिश दे रही थी कि भाई उसे पकड़ने के लिए. और जबकि मेरी एसओ साहब से बात हुई, वो कह रहे कि नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. अब देखो क्या हुआ, ये तो जो है उसके परिवार वाले ही बता पाएंगे.
अब ये भी बात सामने आ रही है कि जिस तरह से वहाँ पे लोग हैं, मुसलमान परिवार काफी साल 70 साल से रह रहे थे, आप लोग भी रह रहे हैं, पर अब ये घटना जब घटी है तो आपको लगता है कि वहाँ पे जो परिवार है वो वहाँ पे जाना चाह रहे हैं, गांव छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं? अगर आपको लगता है एक सेटबैक आएगा?
बिल्कुल ऐसी बात कोई बात नहीं है कि 60-70 साल नहीं, सैकड़ों साल से भाई पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी मुस्लिम परिवार हमारे यहाँ गांव में रहते आए हैं. किसी तरह की आज तक किसी तरह कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई. और जो अब ये रूमर फैलाई जा रही है कि भाई मुस्लिम परिवार यहाँ नहीं रहेंगे, चले जाएंगे, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मुस्लिम परिवार यहाँ रहते आए हैं, रहते हैं.
अखलाकी पर
Let's get across live, in fact, to Kamaljeet Sandhu, who is getting us that report from that Sadbhavna meet, which is underway right now in Bisara village for the last 8 days. Of course, Kamal, you know, there has been just so much that has been spoken across media, on social media about this village. But tell us, you know, what is the feeling that you get on the ground right now? The Muslim families for which these people seem to be reaching out, are they also a part of this meet?
Well, the administration and the police are trying to broker peace between the various communities and villages, and that is how we are here. This is Sadbhavna Sammelan, and obviously district administration. Right now the DM behind me is speaking, and this is a group. The villages is obviously mixed group, not just from Bishwara but also from other villages, various communities. Now you can see in the grey safari suit is Ikhlaq's brother. He's near the DM, and obviously DM going out and making an appeal, saying that all communities have to live together. Politicians would really come and go, but they need to come and stick together. This is the time, and that they need to carry on the tradition that their forefathers, grandfathers, and you know, the past generations have done so. So obviously a clear message out that perhaps some of the villagers who came out on the stage also echoed the same sentiment, saying it's time that all of them come together. They need to stand for peace instead of for division, and that's the message going out. United we stand and divided we fall, saying that politicians need to be told in very clear terms that they can't come and divide the society. This is obviously an unfortunate incident, and remember many of the villages affected, but yes, they're saying they're trying to maintain peace and law and order, and also get all their Muslim brothers and Hindu brothers together for this entire peace process.
Kamal, you know, just as you mentioned that politicians need to be condemned is something perhaps a thought there as well amongst the people. But we have seen a lot of these leaders, you know, who are under question now for having gone there and addressed rallies. So are these people actually publicly condemning these leaders?
Well, yes, they do understand, and some of the people that we spoke to know that it's also about politics, that the politicians would appear for a certain number of days and then disappear. They do understand this is obviously politically motivated to quite an extent, especially after the incident, the sort of people coming and addressing, and we're talking about police coming into action much later. But yes, they do understand the repercussions, saying that after some time they'll be left to fend for themselves. So yes, even as they meet, they are talking to each other. It's also just not about one mind, but getting all of them together. And remember, today fringe groups like the Hindu Yuva Vahini as well as Sadhvi Prati tried to come and address, but the police simply didn't allow that. And we've seen that in the past few days. That's a different approach taken by the police today.
Many thanks, Kamaljeet Sandhu, for getting us those ground reports. Clearly, you know, the atmosphere there has been very fragile for the last 8 days following that lynching of Muhammad Akhlaq over rumors of his beef eating. But for now, of course, villagers trying to make an attempt to broker peace between communities.